Let's discuss another problem. Read the question. A 10-meter long rope is to be cut into two pieces and a square is to be made using each. The difference in the areas enclosed must be 1 by 4 square meters. How should it be cut? Read the question and tell me what you have understood. Okay, you have a long rope of 10-meter length and you cut it into two pieces. To make what? To make two squares. And the next sentence says the areas of the two squares must differ by 1 by 4 square meters. So our task is we have to find how this long rope is to be cut in order to make its area difference 1 by 4 square meters. Isn't it? So what is your first step? Okay, length of rope is 10 meter, it is given. Now, we made two squares, isn't it? So let's take one side of the large square be x. Okay, now tell me the next step. Yes, let one side of the small square be y. Good. Now, so we have two squares, one with side x and one with side y. So my question is next. What is the perimeter of large square? Perimeter is 4 times side, that is 4 times x, but we get 4x. What is the perimeter of small square? It's 4y. Good. So what is this 10 then? നമ്മൾ ഈ 10 മീറ്റർ നീളമുള്ള റോപ്പിനെ മുറിച്ചാണ് ഈ രണ്ട് സ്ക്വയർ ഉണ്ടാക്കിയിരിക്കുന്നത്. അപ്പോൾ ഈ 10 എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് എന്തായിരിക്കും? That will be the sum of these two perimeters, isn't it? So 4x plus 4y gives 10. Correct. So here we have 4 in common. So we are taking 4 outside and what will you get? 4 into x plus y, isn't it? So we get 4 into x plus y equal to 10. So what will be x plus y? X plus y will be 10 divided by 4. And what is that? It's 5 by 2, isn't it? Why? Here we can cancel this 10 and 4 with 2. So here if we divide 10 by 2 we get 5. And here we get 2. That's why we got 5 by 2. So we got x plus y equal to 5 by 2. Okay. Again, in the next sentence it is given the area difference. So the area of the large square will be what? Yes, area will be side into side. Large square has side x. So area will be x square. So what about the area of small square? Correct. It's y square. So how will you represent the statement? The difference in the areas enclosed must be 1 by 4 square meters. Tell me. X square minus y square equal to 1 by 4, isn't it? Good. So what is this 1 by 4? It's 5 by 4. Okay, so we got the next equation, x square minus y square equal to 1 by 4. So we got two equations. One is x plus y equal to 5 by 2. We call this as equation 1. And the next is x square minus y square equal to 1 by 4. And we call this as equation 2. So again, you can compare this question with the previous one and tell me what you are going to do next. Yes, we have the identity. X square minus y square equal to x plus y into x minus y. Then equation 2 changes to, yes, x plus y into x minus y equal to 1 by 4, isn't it? So what is the next step? You will replace this x plus y with this x plus y, that is 5 by 2. So you get 5 by 2 into x minus y equal to 1 by 4. So what will be x minus y? 5 into x minus y equal to 1 by 4. Okay. Then x minus y will be, yes, 1 by 4 divided by 5 by 2. Good. Then next step. Yes, we have said that 1 by 4 is 5 by 4 divided by 5 by 2. How will you divide two fractions? We have learned multiplicating by reciprocal, isn't it? There is no change for 5 by 4, and we multiply it with reciprocal of 5 by 2. That is, reciprocal of 5 by 2 is 2 by 5. Isn't it? So what we get? X minus y will be 5 by 4 into 2 by 5. That is, x minus y will be 1 by 2. Good. Why? This 5 and this 5 get cancelled. And this 2 and this 4 get cancelled. The remaining is 2. So we got x minus y equal to 1 by 2. And already we got x plus y equal to 5 by 2. See, so we have two equations now. Now you can easily solve this. Tell me. X minus y equal to 1 by 2. Equation number 3. And x plus y equal to 5 by 2. Equation number 1. We are solving by adding. Okay, now tell me each step. First term will be 2x. Second term will be 0y. Third term will be 1 by 2 plus 5 by 2. That is 6 by 2, isn't it? That is 3. 6 by 2 is 3. So we got 2x equal to 3. Now what will be x? Correct. X will be 3 by 2. So we got the value of x. Now what you are going to do next? Yes, we will find y by substituting x in any of this equation. So here I am taking equation 1, that is x plus y equal to 5 by 2. Tell me the next step. Correct. 3 by 2 plus y equal to 5 by 2. That is y equal to 5 by 2 minus 3 by 2. That is 2 by 2. That is 2 by 2 is 1. So y equal to 1. And what is this x and y? Perimeter of the large square is x. So we get it as 4x, and that is 4 into 3 by 2. On cancelling this 2 and this 4, we get 2, and 3 into 2 is 6. That is 6 meter. Again, perimeter of the small square is 4y. That is 4 into 1. That equal to 4. അപ്പോൾ ഒന്ന് ആലോചിച്ച് നോക്കിയേ, നമുക്ക് മൊത്തം 10 മീറ്റർ റോപ്പ് ആയിരുന്നു. അപ്പോൾ ഒരെണ്ണം 6ഉം മറ്റേത് 4. അപ്പോൾ 6 4 10 കിട്ടിയില്ലേ? ഏരിയ നിങ്ങൾ തന്നെ ചെക്ക് ചെയ്യുക. കറക്റ്റ് ആണോ? ഇവരുടെ രണ്ടിൻ്റെ ഡിഫറൻസ് കൃത്യം കിട്ടുന്നുണ്ടോ നിങ്ങൾ തന്നെ ചെക്ക് ചെയ്യുക. ഓക്കെ. So let's consolidate what we have seen till now. We have seen two problems and we solved it in a particular way. So first of all, we converted the word problem into two algebraic equations. And what was the speciality? One was a first degree equation and the other was a second degree equation. Good. Next, what we have done? Yes, we converted the second degree equation into a first degree by appropriate identity. In both the problems, we have used the same identity, which is that. Yes, x square minus y square equal to x plus y into x minus y. Then, what we have done? Yes, we got two first degree equations and we know how to solve it. And after solving this, we find the value of one letter. Then, yes, using that value, we find the other letter and hence solved the problem. Good. Let's do another problem. In this time, you are going to solve this, okay? The difference of two numbers is 8 and the difference of their squares is 208. Find the numbers. I think no need of more explanation. Everything is clear from the question, and tell me each step. Let the first number be x. Then second number be y. Okay. The difference of two numbers is 8. Isn't it? So what will be the first equation? Correct. X minus y equal to 8. Good. So we got an equation. Next is saying that, and we call this as equation 1 also. Difference of the square of two numbers is 208. So what will be the equation? Correct. X square minus y square equal to 208. Good. Now we got the second equation also. But here look at the second equation, x square minus y square equal to 208. This is a second degree equation. And by which identity? Correct. X square minus y square equal to x plus y into x minus y. We can replace it, right? So we get x plus y into x minus y equal to 208. Good. Now, from equation 1, we have x minus y. So we will replace this x minus y with 8. So we get x plus y into 8 equal to 208. Good. So what will be x plus y? Correct. It's 208 divided by 8. So what will be x plus y? 208 divided by 8. 2 times 8 gives 16. Remaining is 4 and 8. What makes 848? 6 times 8 gives 48. So what will be your answer? Yes, it's 26. So we got x plus y as 26. Good. So finally we got two equations. One is x minus y equal to 8 and the other is x plus y equal to 26. Now we will solve this by adding. Tell me. Correct. 2x plus 0y equal to, what is 26 plus 8? Yes, it's 34. So we get 2x equal to 34. What will be x? Correct. X will be 34 divided by 2. And what is 34 divided by 2? Yes, it's 70. So we got the value of x. Next, we can easily find the value of y. Which equation you are going to take? Okay, I am taking equation 1 because it's simple, isn't it? So that is x minus y equal to 8. Next, we are replacing x with 17. So what you get? 17 minus y equal to 8. Good. Then what is y? Correct. It's 17 minus 8. Then what will be y? Yes, on subtracting we get 9. So we got the value of y as 9. And what is this x and y? The first number was x and the second number was y. That is, the numbers are 17 and 9. You must check whether the difference is 8 and the difference of their squares is 208. Then we done it correctly. So you have two homework questions. All of you must do this and we will discuss the answer in the next class.
So in this class we have learned how to use the identity x square minus y square equal to x plus y into x minus y to solve problems. Do the homework problem, go through the problems once again, and let's meet in the next class. Thank you.